You can adapt your infotainment system to your personal preferences. Press and hold your finger anywhere on the screen until the Edit mode is shown. Within the Edit mode, you can personalize the content of the touchscreen, the driver information, and the optional shortcuts. You can tap on the touchscreen to modify it. You can also add another page in your touchscreen. To personalize your page, tap on a plus. The features available, called widgets, are highlighted. Tap on one of them to add it to the page. You can also switch pages and widgets by pressing and moving your finger. To delete a page or widget, move the object to the bin icon and confirm. To save your changes, tap on the left arrow and save. To modify the driver information display in the same way, tap on the picture.
À la maison.